describe myself as someone who enjoys dancing, playing basketball and volleyball. Apart from academics, I love dancing and to dance. It brings me joy and express my emotions. My dream is to become an army officer and to serve my country with honor, dedication, and integrity. I believe every dream can be achieved through honor, determination, and the courage to take the first step. And I hope to live with those values every day. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chubaina Bungan. I am 20 years old, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in arts with English as my honor subject. I enjoy gardening, sketching, and cooking as they inspire creativity, patience, and self-expression. I aspire to become a teacher because I want to empower young minds with knowledge, confidence, and the courage to believe in themselves. I am standing here today because I see this platform as an opportunity to grow, embrace new challenges, and become a voice that inspires others to dream bigger and believe in their own potential. Thank you.
Good evening, Mocho. My name is Ngomtula, contestant number 4. I am 22 years old, someone who carries strength and clear purpose. In my everyday life, I enjoy crocheting, dancing, and reading. Simple things that keep me balanced and help me understand myself a little better. I have always been interested in understanding people, which is why I aspire to become a social worker, focusing on mental well-being. To me, beauty is reflected in compassion, how we treat ourselves and how we treat the people around us. And standing here tonight, I simply hope to represent that with honesty, with purpose, and with a sense of responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, may you all have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nikom S. Sangam, 21 years of age, your contestant number 5, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in sociology. I enjoy singing, dancing, drawing, reading, and writing. These hobbies allow me to express my creativity while reminding myself that there is always something new to learn. I aspire to become an orator as I believe words have the power to inspire, empower, and bring positive change. And that is why this platform means a lot to me. It's an opportunity to discover my voice, build my character, and grow into someone who can inspire others through meaningful communication. Thank you!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Maslan Song, and 18 years old, currently pursuing my higher secondary education. Well, I have a passion for journaling and reading novels because they inspire me to think deeply, learn new perspectives, and grow as a person. I am here to challenge myself, build my confidence, and discover the best version of who I can become. My goal is not only to compete for a title, but to impress every lesson this journey has to offer and inspire the young people to believe in themselves and never be afraid to dream big. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing here with a heart full of dreams and purpose, I am Lily Ran, an 18 years old and a grade 12 art student. I express my world through singing and painting, where every note and every stroke becomes a reflection of who I am and what I am becoming. With my vision to be a cabin crew, I aspire to go beyond my service to create moments of comfort, connection, and kindness
me, teaching is more than imparting knowledge. It is about shaping perspectives and creating spaces where mind can grow. Being on this platform today is not just about standing here. It is about embodying who I am and who I aspire to be. Someone who believes in the power of knowledge, the strength of purpose, and the courage to inspire change, both in the present and in the generations yet to come. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I thank God for the blessing and opportunity to stand before you tonight. My name is and I am 19 years old, currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in mass communication and journalism. I aspire to build a career in media industry where I can use my voice to inspire confidence, celebrate culture, and empower young women to pursue their dreams fearlessly. To me, true influence comes from authenticity, compassion, and staying grounded in the values that God has given us. With faith, determination, and purpose, I believe to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. Thank you, and may you all have
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sung Jung-la. I am 20 years old and currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in sociology. I enjoy playing the guitar, singing, and traveling. These experiences have helped me become more confident at the table and open to new opportunities. I aspire to be a musician because it helps me express myself, connect with people, and grow both personally and professionally. I am so grateful to be here today, and I look forward to making most of this journey. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yamas Napungan, your contestant number 11. I am 20 years old and I'm currently pursuing my GNM nursing. Nursing is not just a profession to me, it is a calling, as it reflects my passion to serve others with compassion, passion, and a genuine commitment to make a difference one life at a time. I believe true beauty is not measured by appearance, but by the strength of our character, the kindness we extend to others, and the purpose with which we live in each day. Standing on this stage today is both an opportunity and an honor. I hope to represent my community with grace and inspire others to believe in themselves and prove that when purpose meets determination, anything is possible. Thank you!